Salam! Hi guys, welcome to the Tat Cooking channel. My name is Bida and I'm originally from Iran. And in this cooking channel, I want to show you how to make the Persian food in the way that my mom or my grandmother do. The base of the Persian dishes is a saffron. And we use saffron a lot in all of our stews, rices, or even in our pastry. But there's a way to prepare the saffron water, which I want to show you in this video. That how to make the saffron water with the best color and aroma. First, let's talk about a little about the saffron, what is the saffron, and then why it is so important for Iranian. Saffron is coming from the crocus of the saffron flower, and they have to pick them one by hand before the sunrise, so it's kind of really hard job to do, and it has so much labor, and that's why it's so expensive. And 1 kilogram of saffron, it costs about like $5,000. And also saffron has a really special aroma and really gives you a really nice color to your dishes. The color is like a kind of like an orange yellow color. It depends on how much saffron you add to your dishes, and also the aroma, it's like a combination of the flowers and a little grassy hill-like. And also Iran is the main producer of the saffron, and it's a main importer of the saffron. Now enough with the background and everything, let's show you how to prepare the saffron water. There are like 2 main methods of making the saffron water. One is using the boiling hot water, and then the other one is just using the ice cubes. Which I prefer the second method, using the ice cube, because it retains the color and also the aroma of the saffron better compared to the boiling water, even though using boiled water is faster. For this, I'm using about a teaspoon of the saffron thread, and just you need a mortar and pestle and a little ice cube, as I already told you. So I just put it into the mortar and pestle, and then I use either salt or sugar to get as much as the surface area of the saffron as good, because like using the sugar has like a coarse surface that helps you to grind the thread better. So you just add a little of this one, like a pinch or so. We don't want to make it like sweet, we just want to help the saffron grind better. And by grinding the saffron, we increase the surface area, and that's how you get the most color or flavor out of the saffron thread. After I grind the saffron, now I added the ice cubes to it, and then I add a little of the cold water to it so it'll melt faster, so you can see the color. And here you go. So yeah, as soon as I added the water, it started giving its color to the water, and the saffron will be ready when the ice cubes are melted, and you will get a really nice like an orange color and really nice aroma, which we can add it to your dishes. This is the final product after the ice were melted, and the water extracted all of the color and flavor of the saffron. As you see, like it's really nice orange color, and depends on how much you want to add to your dishes, you will get a yellow to orange color. And so here you go. Now you can use the saffron water in so many different dishes and give the color and flavor to your food. Stay tuned with me, I will show you how to use and incorporate this in Iranian dishes. And about the saffron, you may also have this question, where can you get the saffron? If you have any international markets around you, just feel free to check them out. And also, I know it's kind of like hard to find the Persian saffron or even international market around you, so you can just replace it with the Spanish saffron and use it the same method as I told you. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. By your support, I'll get more motivation to produce more content and show you about my heritage and culture too. And also let me know, how do you make the saffron water? Do you have any other methods rather than using boiling water or ice cube? I'll be glad to know and happy to know about it. Thank you.